Here's the date and time. Look at this. We found it. We found an original Lexan. Let's go to 3. Look at this. Let's go to 3. Original Lexan. I am filming right now. Oh my god. Yes. I am so glad I found a Lexan. I cannot believe this. Here we go, 3. This thing is epic. 3. Check out the collar. Look at that. Original Lexan collar. Let's go to 1. Otis. Get a count there. Very nice elevator. 1980, 125 feet a minute. Here's the fixtures. 85, oh, not 88 phone. We'll go to 3 one more time. I love these buttons. I got an accidental button there too. There's your capacity, 2,000 pounds. There's your indicator. 6% capacity. And 3 up on 1 ended. Look at this. I cannot believe I found an OTIS Lexan here. This thing is something else. Where's my camera now, folks? There we go. I want to go up to 2. We're going to look at the call button up there on 2, and then I'll end it on 1. Look at that lantern. Too bad that one works. That's a cool one. Here's your immediate call station. We're going down the one because someone's waiting for it. Let me open it up real quick. It's okay, Otis plate. I cannot believe it. Otis Lexan. Oh. This is a certificate again. I just love that lantern. Very one. Swoop it. Watch it close up. Look how low the window was. Watch it close. There it goes. And that's it.